In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your custom domain in Stripe. Whether you're a small business owner or a developer looking to personalize your Stripe account, this tutorial will guide you through the process quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, head over to stripe.com. Stripe is a popular payment processing platform that helps businesses manage online payments. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in, so click on the sign in button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the website. Now enter your email and password. This takes you to the login page where you'll need to fill in your credentials. Make sure you use the email address associated with your Stripe account. After entering your details, go ahead and click the sign in button. Once you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard. From here, navigate to the settings page. You can do this by finding and clicking on the settings option, typically marked with a gear icon. It's usually located on the left-hand sidebar. In the settings menu, focus on the account settings section. Here you want to select business. This option deals specifically with aspects of your business identity as it appears on Stripe. Following this, locate the custom domain button and click on it. By clicking custom domain, you can now enter your custom domain name. This domain is something you own, and it provides a more professional and cohesive appearance for transactions and communications managed through Stripe. Input your desired domain in the space provided. Finally, once you've entered your custom domain, simply click the Add button. This action saves your new settings, linking your domain to your Stripe account. This setup not only aids your brand identity, but also provides a seamless experience to your customers, reinforcing their trust and confidence. And that's all there is to it. In just a few short steps, you've set up your custom domain in Stripe. This straightforward process enhances your brand identity while maintaining Stripe's reliable payment solutions. Make sure to double check everything is working smoothly, and if there are any issues, refer to Stripe's extensive support resources for further assistance. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Remember, these steps should only take a few minutes, but the difference a custom domain makes to your business's presentation is significant. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy